Now let me show you another interesting option with respect to table of contents. Before explaining the code, let me compile that code and present that document. Same document but with a small change. Full screen mode. The title part is same. This is the table of contents, but the table of contents page is a faded appearance, right? This is the second slide. Here the introduction is highlighted now, and the introduction is printed over here also, which means now I am going to speak about the introduction part. So here what happens is the immediate section will be highlighted in the table of contents. So this is the introduction part. The title is financial crisis, and after that I am going to the second section, measurement defining financial crisis. So it is highlighted, and the other sections of the table of content is in a fade format. Okay, here also you can see the same title is repeated. So here the second session I am detailing this. This is a usual style we are using in the presentation and all, which means I am going to explain about the third content, financial crisis, predictability and causality. See, the same title is printed over here. Here one more title is printed because I set the depth of table of contents as 2, so subsection is also printed over here. Now let us see how this is achieved. By adding a simple command in the preamble section, we can achieve this. So in this presentation, we put the table of contents at the beginning of each section and highlight the title of the current section. In order to get such configuration, just use this particular command in the preamble section. At beginning section, begin frame title, table of contents, then table of contents. Within the square bracket, give current section. Okay, so that was an interesting example of presentation. This is same example with a different theme. Here I am using the theme Warsaw. Rest else is same. Let me present this. Then you will understand how the table of content is displayed here. Full screen mode. Title section. Table of contents. Everything is highlighted here. Here also the table of content is listed. So this is the second page. Here you can see introduction is highlighted, and which means I am going to speak about introduction. Sample frame title 1. After explaining this particular page, I click on the next button. So you can see the second portion is highlighted now. Measurement defining financial crisis. So this is that part. Here also it is highlighted. Okay, this is the second session. And this is the third section, financial crisis, predictability and causality. So like that we can configure the presentation. Next topic is highlighting important sentence or words in a presentation. In a presentation, it is a good practice to highlight the important points to make it easier for your audience to identify the main topic. Let us see an example for such kind of presentation. So here I have added some effect to my presentation. This is a single page presentation, and the theme used here is Madrid. I am using different themes to give you idea about different types of color combination and themes and all. Here one more command is used, use color theme. It is default. Then author is anonymous. Let me show you how this highlighting is achieved. Begin frame title, sample frame title. Then in this side some important text will be highlighted. For that, to highlight this particular word, I use the command alert /alert highlighted because it's important. Please don't abuse it. Okay, here you can see another block, remark sample text. So alert will change the style of the word inside the braces. The way the enclosed text will look depends on the theme we are using. To highlight a paragraph with the concepts, definitions, theorems or examples, the best option is to put it inside a box. There are 3 types of boxes, and it is up to you to choose which one is better. Here you can see different types of box in this. First one is block. A block will wrap the text in a box with the same style as the rest of the presentation. The text inside the braces after the begin block code is the title of the box. Here remark is the title of the box, so it is placed within the braces. Next is alert box. You can see alert box. It is same as block, but the style contrasts the one used by the presentation. So a different box is displayed here. Here you can see the sentence important theorems. It is placed within the braces of alert box. And the last one is examples. It is similar to block. The box has different style but less contrasting than alert box. So these are different ways to highlight your contents in a presentation. Now let us think more customization options in our presentation. There are some aspects of Beamer presentation that can be easily customized. For example, we can set different themes, colors, and change the default text layout into a 2-column format. Coming to themes and color themes, it's really easy to use different theme in the slideshow by specifying the name of the theme in the preamble section. We have seen different themes now, Madrid, etc., Cambridge, US, etc. A theme can be combined with a color theme to change the color used in different elements. If you would like to use different color theme of a particular theme, you have to use the command use color theme and name of the color theme also. This will help you to explore the Madrid theme with Beaver color theme. For various options, generally PowerPoint presentation consists of different organization of text. 2-column slide is one among that. This example give you an idea about how to create 2-column text. Let me compile this document first. This is a 2-column slide. Here you can see 2 blocks, and in both the columns text is included. Let us see how it is generated. To organize text into columns, we use columns environment. To start a column, we use column command followed by a width. Within the columns environment, we use different column command, and the parameter to column command is its width. Here we are specifying the width. In this example, we will add in 2 columns, both with a width of half of the text width. See this column 0.5 text width. This text is the first column, so it is appeared like this. Then E equal to MC square, begin item is. This is nothing but itemized environment. We know how to create an itemized environment. Please keep it in mind that we can use all the different constructs we have learned so far. Itemized environment, equations, all these things in the slide also. And this is the second column. Again, we used half of the text width. And here I am closing the columns environment. This will be the output. Creating column is pretty much easy in a LaTeX document. Now, if you want to replace the second column with a picture, replace the text with a /include graphics command. We don't need to load the graphics package because Beamer automatically loads it. We can also add the centering command to put the image in the center of the column. Let us see another example. This is another example. It includes an image also in the presentation. Here we have 2 slides, and in the first slide titled Sparrows, I am including an image. Include graphics, name of the image is Sparrows. The width of the image and angle to be displayed is also specified. Angle given here is 45, so it is rotated 45 degree towards left. Please note that the use package graphics command is commented over here. So as I said, it is not required since the Beamer package already have access to graphics package, so we can use the graphics path, all these things without including the graphics package graphics. Then coming to the second slide, this is the second slide. Here you can see a 2-column slide. How do we achieve this? We are beginning that begin frame title is Blossom. Here I am starting another environment called columns. Within that column, again the width of this column is specified as 0.5 text width, half of the text width. Then within that I am starting a bullet environment using the item is command. See, item A, item B. So it is displayed like this. And in the second column, we are including a symbol graphics. Here I am not rotating the picture with simply giving the width of the picture. Dear friends, I have added one more slide into this presentation. Let me show you that. This is the presentation view, full screen mode. This is the first slide. It is rotated, and this is an example for 2-column slide. Yeah, yes, the last slide. So it is time to say thanks to one and all. We are concluding today's class. Today we have discussed so many things regarding the Beamer class. Try to explore more options. This is only beginning. You have plenty of options to include within the Beamer class. Try to explore all those things. See you in the next class. Thank you.